Good morning, everyone. This morning I think we're gonna make some bread on the Dutch oven. It's a beautiful day and we are in the same area that the last video, so if you did watch the video you can go back in my playlist and watch it, but yeah, we are in the same area and I decided this morning we're gonna make some bread on the Dutch oven. It's gonna be good. Alright, I think that's what it's supposed to look like. This dough is supposed to be like a no-knead dough. And I have to rest for at least an hour. The vent temperature is pretty good. I'm going to keep the heater on. And during that time we're going to go outside now that the sun is up. It looks gorgeous outside. And start making the fire. It is gorgeous this morning. Wow, the sun's just about to poke behind there. That's gonna be a nice day. You guys have no idea how long it's been since I saw the sun last time. I feel it's been forever. It's gonna be a gorgeous day. Surprisingly, it's not that cold this morning. I thought it would be like freezing cold this morning. No. I cannot wait to have the sun on my face. Alright, definitely need more time. That's okay because the fire needs a little bit more time to get more cord. And I need to go cut my little tripod that I use to cook on a Dutch oven. I got my 3 beautiful sticks. Tripod is done. The Dutch oven's gonna warm up and we'll be ready pretty soon. Woohoo! And if you don't know, this is the little tripod for the Dutch oven. Oh yeah. Vitamin D right from the source. Even the birds are happy. He's singing. I might ask if Kitty want to go outside too. It didn't double like that much, but I realized that I did like 2 mistakes. First of all, my dry yeast, I realized that it's a little bit expired. Okay, I forgot to look at that. Last time I've done something with the dry yeast was like a while ago, so it probably did help. And I think the van was not as warm. I kind of like started the stove a little bit and just like put a little bit of heat on the bowl itself. And I cut the recipe in half because I didn't have the actual like, oh yeah, it's a little bit bumpy, which is good. So yeah, I cut the recipe in half because I didn't know the actual like how many bread I was making. So we're gonna have more like a mini bread, which I'm fine with that because I don't want to eat bread for like, you know, 5 days anyway. I'm not someone who eat a ton of bread, but I do like once in a while. This is what I'm dealing with, and we need to put the dough here. Come on, little dough. Woohoo! This put it back here. This need to stay like this for another half an hour. There you go. Happy to be outside, Kitty? Yeah. I'm happy to see Kitty outside. It's been a little while since she went pretty much because she didn't want to go outside. It was too cold for her and all this. So now that the sun is just like, I just touched her and pet her and she was like so warm already. So I'm like, yeah. Feels so good, that sun, guys. Oh, so good. Gonna enjoy every second of it. Great, that's good. That's gonna be a nice little bread. In about half an hour, we should have some bread. That's gonna be great. You wanna go for a little walk, Kitty? Yeah. So we're just gonna walk, not very far. And look at the bread and still need a couple of minutes. Even the log's steaming. Yeah. It's nice and warm. Yeah. We are slowly losing a son behind there. No. Alright, this should be close to be ready now. Oh yeah. We got it. Check this out, guys. Ooh. Need to show you the bottom of it. Look. Oh, that's gonna be so good. And I got this plant-based butter here. And look at that. Oh yeah, not bad. Gonna be a bite for you guys. Oh yeah. Success. I'm glad that I make just a small loaf because I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. And I'm losing my son behind the tree here, unfortunately. So I think I'm gonna try to sit by the lake, finish this. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't finish it, but I have a feeling I'm gonna finish it. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I deeply appreciate all of you guys. And obviously, I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Are you enjoying the warm van, Kitty? Yeah. It's kissing time. Kitty? It's kissing time. No. No kiss. How come? It's cleaning time now. Alright. Kitty. Mom, stop bothering me. Kitty. Kiss. Did I kiss? No kiss? No kiss? Yeah, alright. I tried, guys. I tried. Oh, oh. Cleaning your bed. Look, kiss. There you go. Oh, long kiss. Oh, thank you, kitty. Alright, guys. We'll see you in the next one.